life insurance. It's a term that often brings mixed feelings. It's a topic we sometimes avoid, perhaps because it forces us to confront our own mortality. But it's vital for protecting the ones we love, ensuring their future is secure. Life insurance provides a death benefit to your beneficiaries, offering them financial stability. This money can be used to cover various financial needs when you pass away, such as daily expenses, debts, and even funeral costs. Estate planning ensures your assets are distributed according to your wishes, avoiding potential conflicts. Life insurance plays a crucial role in this plan, acting as a cornerstone of your financial strategy. Life insurance can cover estate taxes, preventing your loved ones from facing financial burdens. It can also replace lost income, ensuring your family's lifestyle remains unchanged. It can even fund your children's education, giving them the opportunities they deserve. By incorporating life insurance, you create a safety net that offers peace of mind. This net protects your loved ones when they need it most, ensuring they are cared for and supported. Life insurance offers numerous benefits for estate planning, making it an essential tool for securing your family's future. A significant benefit is its ability to provide liquidity, ensuring that your loved ones have immediate access to funds when they need it most. Upon death, your beneficiaries receive a tax-free lump sum, which can be a substantial financial relief during a difficult time. This money can be used to cover immediate expenses, such as medical bills, mortgage payments, and daily living costs. These expenses include funeral costs, probate fees, and outstanding debts, which can otherwise be a heavy burden. Life insurance proceeds can also replace your income, providing a steady financial stream for your family. This is crucial if you are the primary earner, as it helps maintain financial stability. Your family can maintain their standard of living, ensuring that their quality of life does not diminish. They can also meet ongoing financial obligations, such as education costs and retirement savings. Think of life insurance as a financial safety net for your loved ones, providing peace of mind and security for the future. Integrating life insurance into your estate plan is essential. Start by assessing your specific needs. Determine the coverage amount that aligns with your financial goals. Consider factors like your income, debts, and the number of dependents you have. Next, choose the right type of policy. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period. Permanent life insurance offers lifelong coverage and a cash value component. Consult with a qualified financial advisor. They can guide you through the selection process. They can also help you determine the appropriate coverage amount. Real-life examples. Life insurance in action. Let's look at some examples. These real-life scenarios will help you understand the importance and impact of life insurance. Imagine a young couple with a mortgage and a young child. They are building their future together. Life insurance can provide financial security if one parent passes away, ensuring the family's stability. The death benefit can cover the mortgage payments, preventing the family from losing their home. This ensures the surviving spouse and child can stay in their home, maintaining a sense of normalcy. Now consider a business owner. Their business is their livelihood and legacy. Life insurance can fund a buy-sell agreement, which is crucial for business continuity. This agreement ensures business continuity if one partner dies, protecting the business's future. The surviving partner receives the funds to purchase the deceased partner's shares, ensuring smooth operation. This prevents potential conflicts and protects the business's future, securing the livelihood of all involved. Secure your family's future. Consult a professional. Don't wait to secure your family's future. Act now. Life insurance is a powerful tool in estate planning and protection. It provides peace of mind knowing your loved ones are protected. Consult with a qualified financial advisor today for guidance. They can assess your needs and create a tailored estate plan. This plan will safeguard your legacy for generations to come. Remember, protecting your loved ones is the greatest gift you can give. Act now and secure their financial well-being for the future.